I don't know. Oh, that. She's got a bag there. She's got a poster. When I flip her, you try to read it. If she turns it this way. Come here. Come here. Kitty, kitty. What are you crying about? What are you crying about? Honey, are you camera shy? Yeah. Would you leave me alone? Good Monday morning to you guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's cold. Today I'm working a full day. Yay! I am working across town and I need to get going. I just realized the time. I just wanted to pop in and say good morning. I'm gonna try to vlog today at work. We'll see how it goes. That noise is the windshield, so I can see. I'm home. I didn't get to vlog today at work because it was busy. At that place I used to always lock this up. At that place I used to always be alone. That wasn't the case today. And I thought I would be. That's why I told you guys I would probably vlog at work. I'm sorry. I'm coming to my mailbox.
Phone unavailable.
See that sunshine, you guys. The temperature outside is 58 degrees. With that sunshine, it's perfect. Perfect weather. I love this weather. This is Stockdale Highway. And that's Cal State right over there. And those are the dorms. I think those are the new dorms. They just built those. And they're going to build more, I think, down the way. Welcome to my Thrash Tuesday. This thing's choking me. Anyway, I'm off of work. And running a couple errands, enjoying this weather, you guys. It's beautiful. Just gorgeous outside. I'm going to go home, though, and dye my hair. Finally. I've been putting it off and putting it off. But I'm going to dye it today. And then get online and submit some more job applications. I'm at the point to where I think I've never, ever done this before. I've never gone to a, what do you call those? The job agencies where they get part of your, they find you a job and then they take like a percentage out of your paychecks. All your paychecks for like, I don't know if it's a 3 to 6 month duration or 1 year. I don't know what they're like I said, I've never done those places, but I'm at the point to where I might just go do that just so that I can get more hours and just start, moving on from there and wait for the next, for everything that I've submitted. I'm just waiting like for the phone calls for the interviews. The one that I submitted the driving record to, they will be, I think, they told me next week, next Monday, that's when they're going to start calling us in. We are going through like a background check. I'll tell you more about it later. Anyway, so I'm waiting for that one because I already know that's a time they are on the scheduled process. And then I'm waiting to hear from the city of Bakersfield. I got 3 job apps in there. Those are good jobs as well. So yeah. Meanwhile, I'm gonna just continue applying, putting myself out there. Oh. That stuff turned orange. Uh-oh. It turned my dark brown dye orange, and it's for, let me get some toilet paper. Oops. It's to enhance the dye and take away the gray. I have such a problem with my gray hairs. But I just wanted to show you what it did. Yikes. So I'm off work right now. I cut my bangs, you guys. Can you tell it was me that did it? And I'm whispering because I'm sitting outside the front of my place of employment. And I'm bashful to vlog. I hear there's a lot of people coming in. There's a tournament going on in the gym right here next to me. I don't know if you can hear the basketballs and the whistles. So I'll tell you about why I'm waiting for a ride in a little bit. We are at Rosedale RV. Rosedale RV. That's pretty. I like that one. So my little brother picked me up. As you can tell, he's an RVer. He picked me up in his Jeep, and after he was done scaring me, there's like piles of like dirt hills in the field next door to my job. And since he's in his Jeep, he decided to take me through there and have a good laugh. He's a brat. Anyway, he loves to RV. He's always shopping for them. And this place is called Rosedale RV, and I believe they buy used RVs and they refurbish them and then resell them, and they're gorgeous. So I don't know if we're going to get inside one. If we do, I'll film it. Okay, you guys, see way... I don't know if I can zoom in. There's like a Airstreamer where those people are at, right behind them. Gorgeous. I've always liked those.
It does sell. Okay, where buys it? Our paperwork on consignment is that we wake this thing all up. Water, batteries, electrical, plumbing, all the appliances, and make sure it's all working. Generator, make sure the fluids on the engines are good, you know, that kind of stuff. How long has this been sitting here? I've had it for about 6 months. Okay. We've had it sold about 2 different times.
Oh, done. There's a shower.
What are they asking for?
They're asking us $80,000 for it.
It has 13,000 miles.
Oh, it's got 38,000.
Oh, 38,000. That's not that bad.
Start the engine. A little windy. I love this.
Oh, I do too. I know. If I have more time to travel and you want to see some country, or just you gotta have this motorhome. It's gotta be on the road. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Not
Got this. I got a bunch. guys. I'm not really vlogging, but I'm filming and letting you see what, what I'm looking at. This is an older RV or Winnebago style. I don't know what they're called, but this is nice. I like it a lot.
System on it. There's a retract, extend, it's on to the front. Oh, it's airing down. That's air down to get the weapon system going. Okay, so
We're going to Sam's Club for toilet paper. The benches were right next to the register, so I'm tired. It's Wednesday, and I didn't, I don't know how much I vlogged today, but today's Wednesday, you guys. Happy Wednesday. Hope y'all are having a good Wednesday. Put this in the oven. So we got some Jenny O. $4 for this big old hunkin' cheese. Rotisserie. Sweet kale. Bimbo. I love these. I know they're bad for me, but I love them. I love them. Special. And these for Mom. I'm home. I'm going to sit down for a minute and then put the groceries away. It's not really groceries. We actually just went for the toilet paper. I should take a picture of that. I will in a minute. And came out with extra stuff. I'm tired, you guys. Ooh. Whew, I got to work a little bit more hours today, and I just got a text from one of my supervisors to come in a half hour earlier tomorrow, which is good. Look, I chopped my hair. I made bangs. I just don't know how to wear them right. Boo! Happy Thursday morning to you guys. It's a rainy morning. I know it was because I could hear the rain hitting the house when I was rushing around to get ready. I got raindrops up there. So anyway, I'm on my way to work. And we'll see what this day brings. It feels like a good day, although I have a stomach ache. Ow, I don't know what it is. I went to bed with a stomach ache. It's just gnawing and burning at me. And I woke up with it a little bit stronger, so I'm not eating food because my stomach hurts. Anyway, but it's a good day. It's going to be a good day. I feel it. I feel it. Hope you guys are going to have an awesome Thursday day. I turned the camera around because I'm at a red light. I'm going to 2 different rec centers today. Normally I work 3 hours here, but that supervisor here sent me a text last night saying, Patty, I need you to be at work at 8 instead of 8:30 tomorrow. So I'm like, okay. I don't know what that's about. I'll find out soon. I'm not worried about it, but office politics can be office politics. So anyway, that's all I'm doing, you guys. I love the rain. I think I've told you guys that a gazillion times. I love it so much. I wish, my perfect rainy day is at home in my warm, fluffy, soft PJs. Gotta go. Light screen. Plastic. I have 10 minutes before I have to leave. Good Friday morning.